Alright, my happy BFFs. We made it to one of the most breathtaking spots in Japan. This is Oishi Park by Lake Kawaguchiko. And guess what? Cherry blossom season is right around the corner. So you want front row seats to see these cherry blossoms like you've never seen them before. I mean, look at this. You've got crystal clear waters, endless blooms, and the most iconic peak in Japan, Mount Fuji, just casually flexing in the background. It's so picture perfect. I wouldn't be surprised if Fuji-san had its own Instagram account. Okay, real talk, there's no way I'm coming here without getting ice cream. The ice cream made in Japan is on another different Riz level. I really don't know how they make it so velvety smooth. Unlike other ice creams I have eaten, Oishi Park Cafe is serving up flavors that'll make your taste buds book a return trip ASAP. From classic chocolate and strawberry to matcha, lavender, and even shine muscat. With so many options, I even had a tough time choosing just one to try. Eventually, we gave in into the lavender matcha and Kyoho grape shiny muscat. And let me tell you, that muscat flavor? It's like eating a grape that won the lottery. For those of you thinking, oh, I should be healthy and get some fruit instead, first of all, who hurt you? But don't worry, they've got you covered too. Right next to the cafe, there's a fresh fruit stand with strawberries so sweet, you'll think they were grown by candy fairies. And unlike my ice cream addiction, this one's guilt-free. I can't get over how many different kinds of cute strawberries they have here. Need to walk off those extra calories? Boom, there is souvenir shopping right next door. This shop has everything: dry flowers from the park, local sock, and cookies that'll make you question every cookie you've ever had before. They even sold water straight from Mount Fuji. Talk about being bougie. And did I mention how many different cookies they have in the store? Cookies in the shape of Mount Fuji. Cookies with sakura flowers embedded in them. Different colored Mount Fuji cookies, cookies with sake in them. Kit Kat cookies, cookies that taste like mochi, cookies with other cookies. Is this cookieception or cookie monster heaven? Oh, and it's tax-free, so your wallet will thank you later. But honestly, what caught my eye was this cute egg holder in the shape of Mount Fuji. And of course, no visit is complete without saying hi to, this cat? Can someone in the comments tell me if this kitty is famous? Or if I'm just chilling with a local celebrity by accident? So, is Oishi Park worth visiting? Absolutely. Whether it's your first time in Japan or your millionth time chasing the best NT Fuji views, this spot is a must. Ice cream, flowers, Fuji. And apparently a famous cat. What more do you need? Make sure you hit that like, subscribe, and follow button on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook to keep up with all our adventures. And as always, will this be your next stop?